Hi friends and welcome to my floss tube. My name is Paula. You can find me on Instagram or the 502 Stitcher. Today is June 5th, 2025. If you're new here, I hope you'll see, subscribe, and stay around. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so very much. I greatly appreciate you coming back and watching all my videos. Today I have a floss tube special for you. I have Primrose Cottage Stitches Sip and Stitch box for 2025. Summer 2025, sorry. I also think it's the first one they've done this year. I might be wrong, but so I think the Christmas is the last one. They do, I think usually 3 or so a year. This is my 7th box, maybe 6th box. I was trying to think about it last night, I'm not for sure. So about 6 or 7 boxes I've gotten. They're always a mystery. Sometimes they give you a theme. So they did give a theme for this one this time, and it was patriotic. But sometimes they don't. They just tell you, it's a Sip and Stitch box. So, and like I said, it's a mystery box. They are kind of pricey. They're anywhere from probably about $60 to $80. This one was $80, and I know that's a lot of money, but I think they're worth the money. So hopefully, when you see this box, or you can look at the box and decide if you think the money is worth for you. But they always include a drinking vessel. That can be, which they call a drinking vessel. It could be a cup, a mug. They've done like a soup kind of mug, or a tumbler. So, and then they always do 2 or 3 different patterns. The finishing kit and the floss needed for that, the patterns, and then a few extra fun surprises. So you never know what the fun surprises are going to be, but they always include some, and I always like them. So and I think they might be exclusive to the kit or not. I'm not for sure if they sell them later on, but they might. You'll just have to keep an eye on their website. So I ordered the box, I think last Sunday. They shipped it out Monday, and I got mine the following Monday, so this Monday. So a week from Utah to Kentucky is not bad at all, I don't think. Of course, people are closer to them get it faster, and then the waiting game is on because you're all excited. But here's the box. So good sized little box to come. And I guess we'll go ahead and jump in here and show you what we got. Sorry, my throat's already getting dry. So this time, it came with a tumbler. A 30-ounce tumbler. They've done other ones before. I think they're I don't know, maybe the 16, 18, 20-ounce tumblers. But not a 30-ounce. So this one is different. I'll pull it out. It says, Stars and Stripes and Stitching, Primrose Cottage Stitches. So in a nice blue, pretty blue color. And it also comes with a straw. I love my tumblers. I have a ton. If you like tumblers, I'm sure you do. I don't have the Stanley, but I got all the knockoffs, so just love all those. So I'll be happy to use that soon. Sorry for the loudness. Then we got the floss. It is DMC. Sometimes they do color and cotton. They do classic colorworks weeks, and sometimes DMC. So I'm a DMC girl. I use lots of DMC, so I'm thoroughly happy with that. Here's the finishing kit. We have some keychains. So USA and the flag. Here's the back. Then we have some floss drops, star shape. And it looks like there's red, white, and blue in there, so to go along with the theme. And here's the back. Then we got a few little more extras. Came with stickers, and usually their stickers go along with a theme. So once you see the patterns, you'll see on here what it is. And then they're always good to detail. If you look at the flag, it's actual stitches. And then they sent out some recipe cards. Sorry, the first one is Grandpa Winnie's Baked Beans. They did this for Christmas too, and I really liked it. Cookie salad. Grandma Moore's ice cream dessert. And macaroni salad. So I just think that's something fun to put in there, you know, something to try. And then they have the pattern. Oh, and they also, they include a card that tells you exactly what is in there. So basically, they show all the carts that they have in here, the floss drops, the recipe cards, tumblers, all that stuff. So, and then they ask you not to share on social media till they do. So this video won't be posted until they say it's okay to post it. So the very first one, I'm going to had this pattern is right here. So nice little round there. And all these patterns, they are done on 28 count light taupe. Here's the next one. This God Bless America is what's the name of it. And then lastly, I left it in the box. I was like, where'd it go? It is America, My Home Sweet Home. And then the finishing kits will go for both of these. So I hope you enjoyed watching this unboxing of this box and might inspire you if you've never gotten one of these boxes to get one next time. Just follow Primrose Cottage Stitches and they'll give you all the details on how to get one. So I'll see you next time. Happy stitching. Bye.